It's 6:14 a.m. when your phone vibrates on the marble nightstand. Not a call, a single text, no name, just 3 words. Clean it up. You already know what that means. You've known what it means for 4 years, 11 months, and somewhere around 16 days. You don't count anymore. Counting is what people do when they still think there's a way out. You sit up, swing your legs over the edge of the bed, and look at the city through the floor-to-ceiling glass. Washington is still dark at this hour. The monuments are lit up like promises. You used to find that beautiful. Now you find it useful. A reminder that everything visible is just decoration. The real city, the one you work in, has no monuments. It has no light. It runs on favors, fear, and the specific kind of silence that only money can buy. You shower, dress, and are in the car within 11 minutes. Your driver doesn't ask where you're going. He already knows. His name is Senator Carl Whitmore, 62 years old, 3rd term, Armed Services Committee. A man whose face appears on Sunday morning panels with the confidence of someone who has never once believed he could be touched. He's been your principal for almost 5 years. You don't call him Carl. You don't call him Senator when it's just the two of you either. You call him Sir, and he calls you by your last name. And that distance, that carefully maintained formality, is the architecture of your entire arrangement. You are not his chief of staff. You are not his counsel. You have no official title. On the building staff directory, you appear as a senior policy consultant, which is the kind of title that means absolutely nothing and therefore explains everything.